Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Film yourself standing there and then flicking your jacket. Then do the move without the jacket, and then walk into the frame doing this shock move. Put on the jacket and do the shock move at the same spot. Open these clips in the CapCut app and scroll to right when you would let the jacket go. Trim the beginning of the second clip without the jacket so that it matches perfectly and looks like a throw movement. For that walking in clip without the jacket with that shock move, trim the end of it so that it lines up perfectly with the shock move with the jacket. Now for this walking clip, hit overlay and then drag it to the beginning of the video. Do the same thing for the jacket clip, hit overlay and drag it behind the walking clip. Select the walking clip and hit duplicate. Take this duplicate and drag it underneath the original. Then hit remove background and auto removal. Select the upper clip again and scroll to mask. Choose horizontal and turn the line so that you reappear on the right. Now we're almost there. Do the same thing for the jacket clip. Duplicate it, drag it underneath, remove the background, then select mask, horizontal, adjust the line, and that's what you get. Now to create that ghost impact effect, take that bottom jacket clip and again hit duplicate. Drag it all the way to the bottom and then select opacity. Pull that down to around 35. Create a keyframe in the beginning of the clip, scroll into it a little bit and resize it to automatically create a second keyframe. Now you can add animation, export the video, and that's it.